Okay, guys, I'm going to make several videos on the learning of the Morse code. I'm going to get right to it, and there's going to be an explanation video also. So just follow the videos I put up as I go along. This will be clip number 1. So Morse code consists of short sounds and long sounds. So I'm just going to teach short segments and put them in order, like Morse code, learning Morse code, number 1, number 2, number 3. And I'll have all kinds of little tidbits, how to connect connectors, how to connect, your Morse code key, paddles, bugs, the jacks, what to get to use to practice, and stuff like that. Anyway, this is a brief rundown. I just jotted down short sounds. This way you could learn just a few short sounds, actually 5 short sounds, starting with the letter E, which is just the short sound of dit. That's the letter E. Dit. The letter E. The letter H is 4 short sounds. Dit, 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 dit. The letter I is 2 short sounds. The letter S is 3 short sounds. Dit, dit, dit. Dit, dit, dit. And the number 5 is 5 short sounds. Dit, 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 dit. And I'm using my left hand, and I'm right-handed, so it's very easy. So the letter E, 1 short sound. The letter H, 4 short sounds. The letter I, 2. S, 3. I'm going to be making mistakes along the way, and so will you. The number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Dit, 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 dit. 5 short sounds. And now if I use my right hand, I'll have to come over this way. So I'll go E-H-I-S 5. I'm better with my right hand because I'm right-handed.